I'm trying to put them on about the same. Oh, it's hot out here. It's the beginning of summer. Something like that, huh? Let's see what you're seeing here. Let's figure out how high we want this. No matter what I do, I can slide this up or down. Okay, for this last one, because I'm going to probably cut that, because I don't think I want it that long. It just happened to be a piece we had. Whenever you get ready to do stuff, you want to save your pipe. You can maybe use it again. You know? I think I'm going to end up cutting this piece off. No, I might reuse it. Grab my pliers. Because see, this little piece here, sometimes it's hard to pull it off with the pair of pliers. Even if I were to cut it longer, what I usually do is I just try to pinch it off and try not to get the inside. I'm just on the pipe and see how I'm ripping it. Whoop, see. I should put this down this way, huh? See, got that off there, like that. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this same one. I might put, you know, I'm wondering if I should put some inline bubblers, or maybe I'll just stick this back on there. If I put it right in the middle, that should probably be fine. I'm just gonna start cutting little bits of it off. Let's get you up here. Doesn't that look nice? It says it takes full sun, and she gets full sun for a good portion of the day here. How's that look? I'm liking how that goes there, because I was initially thinking of going up and over and down and being all tricky. That's going about in the middle. It's just a hair long, so I'm going to take my cutters, cut off a little bit, and I just pinch it to make it straight. Okay. Now, put that back on there. And that's where it's going to live. It's just going to be down in there. See where the middle of the pot is. It's Seems like it's over this direction. Kind of liking that. I think that'll work. Okay. Didn't take me very long. Now I can cinch that up. And I can look at those other ones and kind of do a happy medium here. You know, I do have my tape measure. Let's just measure these. 10, 10, and close to 10. Okay. There. Now I can cut those off. I just leave 1/8 of an inch sticking out or so. Okay. Oh, listen to the birdies. Just cover that up. This is a bubbler here, so I don't want to cover the bubbler up. That bubbler was for something else over here. It looks like it's come up missing. It sure has. I don't know why she picked out black bark, but she didn't like the brown bark. She wanted black last time. Last time she wanted bark, we got black. Put it over the brown. There's hardly any brown left. Okay, there you go. Last but not least, I guess I should give it a drink of water. Just got it from the store and they had watered it this morning. It's fine now. Take the price tag off it and stuff. There. What is this? Petunias. And it takes 6 plus direct hours of sun. So always look at your things here. Let's see. And that's it. Well, that wasn't too bad, huh? I might save this little receipt, give it to my mother in case this thing dies. Within a week or two, they'll take it back at the store. And probably even if you don't have that, you just save it on your receipt. But I think this is going to last all summer. Now she doesn't have to come out here and water that particular one, you know, in case she forgets. And see, there's another one. There's another one down here. And I'm going to work on that in a minute. Thanks for joining me. See, that didn't take long, did it? I've got the drip irrigation hooked up to it. Got the black tie wires. If you had a white thing or a different color, they've got different colored zip ties, white and black. I don't know if they got, I don't know if they have green or brown. They might. But anyways, have it all tied in and I'm good to go. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. What am I going to show you next time? Well, you're in luck if you want to see some more garden videos. This used to be a hanging basket. You can see where the hooks are. And the hooks are to hold something up like this. I just installed this for Mother, and I've got self-watering to it. I put the drip irrigation in it, zip tied it all in. I got a video set up that you can see on that. And this one here, what am I going to do with this? Since I have my drip paraphernalia out here, I'm at Mother's house, and this is her stuff. What can I do to fix this? I think all of these have grown up out of seed, are like this. And I'm anxious to see what they're going to look like. And a couple of them have died. And of course it was because there was no water to it, and Mother didn't come out here as often to water this one. She still has to come out and water this one, but every once in a while this whole pot dies too. I've been out here repotting that as well. But I want to do something with this. And here's some inline bubblers. See these? See these? And you can get inline bubblers where you put one here and then you put another one. See, there's another one right there. Here's another one over here. See? And that's just on one drip. In fact, here's a bubbler back here that's really not doing anything. I think I had that bubbler there because I had these planted all along here. And I even had some over in here, and those died. And see, this bubbler here is not really doing anything. I kind of wanted to put this right here. So I've got a plan for that, to put a bubbler up in here and tie it into this system, okay? You want to watch that? That's what this video is about. Master bedroom door. Cross that off my list. Silicone garage doors. Cross that one off my list. I'm sure glad that master bedroom door and screen are finally adjusted and fixed. Mother would like that.